The DE AI lesson build tools are there to help you create units and lessons from scratch, using just a few keywords. Let's look at how to make individual lessons using some simple prompts. Remember, the AI Lesson Builder is a tool for teachers to use. This tool doesn't replace quality first teaching. Any content generated using AI may contain inaccuracies, so please verify all content before sharing with pupils. Access the lessons by clicking Lessons. On this next page, you'll see a list of lessons already created by your account. If this is your first time, this part will be blank. You can filter these lessons by subject, curriculum, and year. Let's get started by clicking New Lesson. On this page, you'll have several suggested options taken from your previous searches. To build your lesson, click in the search bar and write your prompt. This could be a simple sentence, bullet points, or even a previous lesson plan you want to improve. Then select the subject, year group, and curriculum using the options below. The AI will now begin generating 3 separate lessons based on your prompt. Here you can choose a lesson suggested or ask for more modifications in the box below. There are some suggestions for you, or you could use this space to focus it more on a particular theme. Once you're happy with the generated content, open the lesson by clicking Use This. The lesson will now be built for you, which may take a couple of minutes. You can begin editing straight away, however, changing the cover image, learning objectives, or title by clicking Edit Details. As you scroll down the page, every section you come across can be edited. You can change the image and wording at every point. You can do this by clicking Edit. The list of keywords is first, followed by the common misconceptions and prior knowledge. Next is the quiz. 5 quiz questions will be generated for you. You can edit these by clicking Edit to change the type of question or the wording. Next, you'll find the presentation slides. These images are auto-generated and usually link to the keywords of the lesson. If you find that they need changing, click the Edit button. Here, you can edit the slides. To reposition the slide, press and hold the squares in the top left corner and drag and drop the slide into the new position. There are 3 types of background to choose: color for plain slides, image, and video. To set an image as the background for a slide, choose Image and then the Change button. You can now search for an image using our AI Finder. This will search available images that match your keywords. Alternatively, if you have an image already in mind, click Upload Image to upload it from your device. To change the video, select Video and then use the search function to choose one of the suggested and attach it to your presentation. You can preview this before moving on. If there are any images or videos you feel should not be there or are inappropriate for the lesson, press the flag button to report it for removal. Now you can change the content of the slides. There are 4 options: Story, Keyword, Expert Video, or Quiz. The Story section is a slide with text. You can change this text in the box entitled Body next to this drop-down menu. The Keywords section highlights the important keywords for the lesson, taken from the section above. This slide is best at the start of the presentation to introduce them. The Expert Video section allows you to browse our expansive list of experts from across different careers and industries and include them within your presentation. The Quiz section will quiz pupils on the keywords. Best to fit this at the end of the lesson as a plenary. Don't forget to save your presentation before leaving this screen, and please note, if you're unhappy with the presentation and want to start again, you can hit Regen in the top right hand corner. This will delete the entire presentation and allow you to start again. You can preview your presentation at any time by clicking Preview. Below the presentation view is a space for you to select other videos from our units and the lessons that you feel link to your lesson. There are also suggested careers chosen from our library to help inspire pupils to think further. If necessary, our AI Career Builder can help further by giving pupils a chance to explore their future jobs, completing a few questions. Please see our AI Career Build tools for more details. Finally, the lesson plan. This will outline the objectives, curriculum links, and keywords. It will also outline a mission assignment for pupils to complete and showcase their learning from the lesson. There is also an in-depth plenary linked with a section for teacher mastery. Every lesson will have a teacher mastery section attached, so if there is a subject you're unsure about, these will be a brief overview of the topic to help answer inquisitive questions from your cohort. Once you're happy with your changes, scrolling back to the top will give you 2 more options. You can view the lesson and check for errors before publishing, or press the Share button. Copy the link to share it with others in your school. Don't forget you can download a copy of the lesson plan for yourself and a list of the keywords. These are useful for displays or using as resources in class before returning to your dashboard. We hope you have a better understanding of building a lesson using our AI lesson build tools. Choose the next video in the playlist to help build a unit or explore other content DE has to offer.